Hi guys, quick wristwatch check. This is the Omega Seamaster 300 Professional diver that I'm wearing today. But that's not the point of this video. Actually, the point of this video is that I finally received my Tisell dress watch. I can't believe that this box is here on my desk because it's been more than 2 years since I joined the waiting list, and I was certain that I would never actually get it. I was certain that it's been discontinued by the Tisell guys, and that's it. Because it feels like I've signed up for Rolex Daytona, for example, something like this. It's a special occasion. During this period of time, I thought that anyway I wouldn't like the watch because it's a dress watch, but it's 44mm in diameter. But nevertheless, it's a very beautiful watch on the pictures, and now the time has come to actually find out how it looks like in the flesh. As you can see, I'm very good at opening the case. Okay, what I should mention is that the delivery happened very fast. It's an international delivery which is free of charge. So I was quite surprised because it came here for less than 10 days. It took almost as much for our customs to clear it, but that's another story, nothing to do with the Tisell guys. I've also had to pay import duties. But anyway, let's check out that beauty. Okay, we have a very plain cardboard box. And inside we have a travel pouch. Look at that. It's actually a signed travel pouch. Certainly I don't expect items like this for a watch of this price range, but actually it looks quite good. Obviously not a genuine leather, but anyway it looks really good. Before I go ahead, I should tell you that I'm not affiliated in any way with Tisell. It's just my user review as a fan of the brand. Let's go ahead. Okay, and here it is. Wow, this is the Tisell 157 model with the Roman numeral. Let me get that light a little bit better. Not sure if I'm doing a good job here, certainly I'm not, but look at the way they actually prepared the watch. They've positioned the hands exactly so that the logo is highlighted, as they do in the Swiss advertisements. What we can see here is a sticker on the front sapphire. Removing this so that we can enjoy this beautiful dial. Actually, it looks very nice. What you can't see on the pictures probably is the hands that are actually thermally blued hands. It's actually a very subtle shade of blue. Very nice. The reason for me getting this watch was the dial. The dial is this porcelain dial that looks extremely classy, and it looks very vintage. I'm not sure if you're able to catch the light on this second hand. The second hand is so special in a way that it's extremely slim, but again it has this special tint of blue that I'm almost certain you will not be able to pick up, maybe like this. Yeah, let's look at the back. Okay, that's the Asian manual wind movement that there is. Okay, maybe it's the other way around, like this. Apologies for the awful lighting condition, but currently it's dark around here, so this is the best that I could offer for the time being. Let me give this watch a wind. Actually, the watch looks absolutely stunning for the price range. Okay, the strap we're not going even to comment on the strap because it doesn't really matter for the price. But can you hear this whining sound? It's quite loud actually, but it's the first manual wine watch that I'm having. So okay, now we can see that the movement is running at the moment. Okay guys, I really gotta go now, but I promise in some of the following days I'll make a detailed review about this Tisell watch, and just give me some time to wear it at least a few times, and I'll get back with all the details regarding this watch. But so far, first impressions are actually quite good. It is a big, dressy watch with absolutely astonishing quality for the price. Okay, see you soon, and please subscribe if you don't mind. I'm having a lot of ideas actually about the videos, but I'm a bit short on time, but I'll certainly find a way to create more content. See you.